Hey folks, welcome back to Solasta, Crown of the Magister, the unfinished business expansion mod with all the new classes and gizmos and gadgets. We're going to look at the classes for the Barbarian. So I'm going to go my standard half orc. Actually, I'm just going to pop this off. I've been using the tieflings, the Zerail. I can't pronounce words. I've been using this group, and it's actually pretty good. So I'll just do that real quick. I just don't like the art, the character done. So we're going to look at the Barbarians today. So the ones added to the mod, these weren't added recently. These are in there, so I'm just going to go through each character and then add the new ones as they come out, like my previous two videos. So first up, we have Path of Light. You got level 3, you get Illuminating Strike. When you are raging, the first creature you hit with an attack on your turn takes an additional 1d6 radiant damage and becomes magically illuminated until the start of their next turn. Additionally, the creature has disadvantage on any attack roll that isn't against you and cannot become invisible. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. And you gain Superior Dark Vision. Give or take Superior Dark Vision depending on the class you take. I guess if you want to do like a human fighter, you can gain the Dark Vision at level 3. It's pretty good. Light's Protection at level 6. You regain hit points equal to half your Barbarian level when a hostile creature affected by your Illuminating Strike dies. Additionally, you are no longer provoke opportunity attacks from creatures affected by your Illuminating Strike. So, hit points. Okay, so 3 hit points at level 6. Okay. First creature you hit with an attack. Okay. Eyes of Truth. You're always under the effects of the Sea Invisibility spell. That's nice. Especially in Lost Valley for like hags and stuff. They always go invisible on me in road encounters. Another 1d6 added to your Illuminating Strike, so 2d6 extra on your first hit. When raging, that's not bad. Level 14, Illuminating Burst. On the turn that you enter your rage, you can choose to illuminate up to 3 enemies within 30 feet of you. They must succeed on a Constitution saving throw. DC with 8% Constitution modifier. Or take 4d6 radiant damage and will be illuminated by your Illuminating Strike for 1 minute. A creature illuminated in this way makes another Constitutional saving throw. At the end of each of its turns, on a successful save, the effect ends for it. On the turn you enter your rage, you can choose to illuminate. Hey, that's not bad. You rage, and then 3 creatures can take 4d6 radiant damage. That's pretty good. So it's Path of Light. We got Path of the Reaver, level 3, Voracious Fury. Starting at 3rd level, you can channel your inner corruption into your melee weapon strikes. While you're raging, the first creature you hit on each of your turns with a melee attack takes additional necrotic damage equal to your proficiency bonus, and you regain an equal amount of hit points. Damage and healing are doubled on a critical strike. That's not bad. Profane Vitality, starting at 6th level, you resist necrotic and poison damage. Level 10, Bloodbath, starting at 10th level. While you are raging, whenever you reduce a creature to 0 hit points using a melee weapon attack, you can eviscerate that creature, regaining a number of hit points equal to 2 times your Barbarian level. You can use this once per short rest. 20 hit points ain't bad at level 10. That's pretty good. Corrupted Blood, starting at 14th level, your blood becomes permanently corrupted, damaging creatures that come in contact with it. Whenever a creature within 5 feet strikes you with a melee attack, that creature suffers necrotic damage equal to your Constitution modifier. Level 14, you should at least have 20 points in the con, so plus 5. So 5 damage, that's not bad. And last one for Barbarian. Level 3, this is Path of Spirits. Level 3, Animal Spirit. Starting at level 3, when you adopt this path, you choose an animal spirit as a guide and gain its feature. Spirit Seeker, when you adopt this path, you gain the ability to cast Animal Friendship and find traps at will. Animal Aspect at level 6. Starting at 6th level, you gain a magical aspect based on the spirit animal of your choice. You can choose the same animal or select a 3rd level or a different same level you select 3rd level. Okay, I'll explain something on this in a second. Level 10, Spirit Walker. Starting at the 10th level, you can summon protection of your animal spirit to guide and protect you. You gain the ability to cast Spirit Guardians as a bonus action, number of times equal to your proficiency modifier. What this does is, like with the druid, with the spirit animal, or even with the new wild master that they added, when you level up to level 3, you'll have a drop down menu over here, and you'll pick an animal, a wolf, a bear, or an eagle, and each one of them gives you bonuses, either while they're out or permanently. And then at level 6, was it? At level 6, you get to pick another aspect. So you can either pick eagle again, or you can pick something else. I even think snake may be one. I'm not 100% sure. It's been a while since I've tested the Path of the Spirits. But that is it. That is the Barbarians. If you want to see more in-depth gameplay guides of any of these classes, let me know in the comments below. But that'll be all for today. Thank you and have a fantastical day.